Every year, thousands of people die from carbon monoxide poisoning, intentionally and unintentionally. Right now, I'm in my garage. This garage has very little ventilation. As you can see, the door's tight. As you can see, the door going inside to the home is shut. Again, do not try this at home. The car is started, and I'm gonna move it now. We're gonna move it around a little bit, and you know it's working. You know it's going. Okay, again, do not try this at home unless you have a Tesla or all-electric vehicle.